I haven't done a tutorial in a while, so I'm finally doing one. This series I'm going to be showing you all about how to make a website. And there's many uses for a website: to showcase your projects, to make profit, all sorts of stuff. So let's get right into it. So first we need to download some apps. The first one is Visual Studio Code. I believe this is actually the only one. So we're going to just click download for Windows. It should automatically download. And we can just run this file once it's downloaded. And then I accept the agreement. Next. And then there's a few options. Now it says add open with code to Windows Explorer file and directory context menu. We're going to select both of these. And then register a code as an editor for supported file types. We could, but yeah, you should probably do it if you don't already have an IDE, but I already have a slightly better IDE, but it's paid, so I'm not gonna select that. So then next and install. And it might take a while, and it's done. So we're gonna actually take this launch Visual Studio Code. So now it should open up, and I've imported something already from another computer. And extensions, we need to install these two extensions, HTML Preview and HTML Snippets. These are going to be very useful. And yeah, so that's what we need to do. And yeah, so I can just close out of this, and now we need to make a folder. I've already created one. It's here and in episode 1. And now we can right click, open with code. Bam. So now we can create a new file called index.html. So the main home page of your website has to be a .html. Otherwise it won't really work. So yeah. So the main page, the front page of your website has to be index.html, because otherwise it wouldn't really work. It'll give you a 404. I had to learn that the hard way. And the reason why we installed HTML snippets is if we just type in HTML, we get 3 options: HTML, then 5, and XML. We're going to click 5. And it gives us a blank website. And the title, we can do my first website. And then save it. Now if we close that and double click this file, it opens up in our browser and it says my first website. Now we're not going to do that. We're actually going to click this button here, right here. And it'll show the preview of the website. And the body is currently empty. I'm just going to format it real quick. And done. Okay. So, now what we're going to do is we're going to type H1. Now, H1 is a heading, the biggest heading that you can get. Then we're going to type some text. And it shows up here. I wonder what this. Okay, that's just show source. Okay, so it says some text, and we can put anything we want, and it'll update in real time. So yeah, so my first website, and there, we've made our first website. It sort of works. And before I end this tutorial, I want to show you about meta. So if we type meta, and then here it says desk, we can actually add a description to our website. So when you embed it on Discord or something, it'll show as a description. So we can type content. My first website I ever made. And then if you put it in Discord or something, it'll show up as that. So, thanks for watching. I hope that you learned something. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And just letting you know, I'll be posting one of these every few days. Maybe like once a week or something. But if you don't want to miss any tutorials, then make sure to subscribe. And I'm out for today.